Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate compliance disclosures for US FTC, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding the importance of affiliate compliance disclosures is crucial for marketers. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, guidelines. The FTC requires transparency when it comes to affiliate marketing. Make sure you know what types of disclosures are acceptable. Disclosures must be clear and conspicuous. This means they should be easy to notice and understand. Next, determine where to place your disclosures. Disclosures should be placed near the affiliate links or products they refer to. Avoid burying disclosures in fine print. Now, choose the appropriate language for your disclosures. Use simple, straightforward language that clearly states your affiliate relationship. You can phrase it like, I earn a commission from purchases made through this link. Ensure that your disclosures are consistent across all platforms. Consistency builds trust with your audience. Make sure to educate your audience about affiliate relationships. Provide context for why you promote certain products or services. This fosters a sense of transparency and integrity. After that, consider visual elements to enhance your disclosures. Use bold text, colors, or icons to draw attention. Next, conduct regular audits of your content. Review your videos, blog posts, and social media for compliance. Make sure your disclosures are still visible and relevant. Stay updated on any changes to FTC regulations. Regularly check the FTC's website for updates on guidelines. Consider using a compliance checklist for new content. This will help ensure that every piece is compliant before publication. Finally, always be transparent with your audience. Building trust can lead to longer-term relationships and repeat customers. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your affiliate marketing complies with FTC regulations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.